Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're talking about when people don't like you.
So, who doesn't like you, Jess?
I don't know.
Just joking. Everybody likes Jess.
I can't think of anybody right off the bat.
Let's talk more about me. Who doesn't like me? Well, chances are if you live on this earth any length of time, you're going to find people who dislike you. And it does happen quite a bit depending on your personality type. My personality type, I'm very brash, I'm very abrasive sometimes. I'm a straight shooting type of person.
Not afraid to speak your mind.
I'm not afraid to speak my mind or tell you my opinion about things, especially if you asked for it, and then you are in for a world of hurt when it comes to that. And it just kind of generally comes from having a spine. You're going to rub people the wrong way eventually. But, the biggest thing to take and remember is people's judgment of you, whether they like you or not, is completely irrelevant. What do you stand for? What's your cause? What's your, goals in life? Those sort of things, those are going to matter a lot more in the long run than whether somebody likes you or not. And now this is speaking a lot towards like maybe younger, peer pressure. As you get older, you don't deal with that as much, but you do quite a bit, like in the workplace and things of that nature. You want to be accepted. You want to feel accepted and liked by people.
Yeah. One thing I would say, maybe that's more important about worrying whether or not people like you is if you like yourself, and just to have some reflection points. Because I'm pretty sure each and every one of us, as long as we're living, there's something we don't like about ourselves, or that we wish perhaps we could have been more kind or more generous or things like that. And so we can have that time of self-reflection and then try to take steps forward to make yourself more of what you would like to be.
And there's about a third aspect here, and this would be a great way to take and close. Are you a disagreeable person? And is people not liking you kind of a wake-up call that you need to take a good hard look in the mirror and see what type of person you're being, and see how you're interacting with friends, family, co-workers, clients, potential clients, things like that. And it just may be that, you sucked on a whole truckload of sour lemons before you woke up every morning. And, you need to do some changing. And that'll help with that a little bit. So it takes a lot of self-reflection, but don't worry about any of the haters out there. If people don't like you, that's on them, not on you. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
We really hope you enjoyed it, and like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.